Hi, this is Anand from Geekstick. In this video, we are going to see user interactive prompt and debug while the playbook is on progress. Hi, in this session, we are going to see how we are going to set a prompt while Ansible playbook is progressing through the YAML script. For example, when we are moving from one task to another task, we can confirm the result in the remote host. So for that reason, I can give in two way. I can prompt either I can give minutes or seconds or prompt. The value I can give, or I have to key in that some value in the keyboard. So in such a way, we can take control of the progress. Yeah, let us get into the demo. Yeah, these are the files. Now I am going to open the copy files. In this place, I am going to add the prompt. Yeah. So pause to get some sensitive input, enter secret. Here instead of secret, I can set it as press enter. That's it, it's enough. Now I am going to execute the command Ansible playbook, copy files, vagrant, path is vagrant, file name is statelist.txt. Yeah, it is asking me to press enter. Okay, the moment I press enter, it will start execute. Now what happened? CentOS, the INI file is not available over here and it is available over here. So the statelist.txt got copied from CentOS Jenkins to support. For example, if INI is here, here also it would have been copied. Now what I am going to do, I will add the same set of that prompt over here also. So in both the places, it will ask me to respond to the prompt. So I'm executing here, collecting as usual, gathering facts. Now it's asking me to press enter. So in this place, what I can check if INI exists or not. Okay, here it's not there. Here INI is there. I'm removing state.txt. So now only INI is here. Again, I'm pressing enter. Okay, it found INI is available, skipped. CentOS Ansible is skipped. In support, its file is there. On pressing enter, further it will move forward. So each and every step, for example, when you are seeing the registered output, there you can print and check the result. Then you can proceed further, else you can stop it. That is the purpose of this prompt. For example, in this prompt, I am going to give, instead of press enter, I am going to give some time. For example, this is the way, minutes or seconds. I can give seconds instead of echo. Yes, I am giving 15 seconds. So what will happen? The moment I give seconds, automatically this will become insignificant, or it is of no use. Completely it will be overridden. It will take, the seconds will take higher precedence. That's what they had given very clearly. Control whether or not keyboard input is shown when trying, and has no effects if seconds or minutes is set. Okay, so all we need to be keen about how to get the maximum help out of the help page. That is more imperative. I'm running again. After gathering facts, it will wait for 15 seconds. Simply I can press Ctrl C and I can continue, or I can abort by pressing A. Now let's wait for 15 seconds. Let it continue. Yes, now here it will wait for my prompt. Yes, completed. So the multiple ways you can carry out the break in between the program, how it progress. Thank you.